Hello everyone, I am Travis from TravisGetsCreative, and I am here with an unboxing of some exciting items today. So, as you can see before me, I have the box right here. It just arrived today. So, let me get into it. And I don't know why I reached for the tweezers. If you can't tell, I woke up like 30 minutes ago, so forgive me. But I'm about to have company, so I decided to go ahead and do this really quick so that I can edit it later and get it up at a reasonable time, I hope. Alright, so get it open here. Good. Second, locate these. All right, got these here. For any of you that don't know, I follow Proffitt Creations. She's an artist on YouTube, and she also works with Uniquely Yours Down Under to license her artwork. And she slowly started to venture out into newer products this year, and these are some items that I picked up because I wanted to support her in that. Let me go ahead and I'll just start opening and I'll tell you a little bit about what I purchased as I show you. You can probably tell what it is now. Sorry, give me a second to wipe all the cardboard junk off of it. This is my very first Kinsey mug. Kinsey is Rose Proffitt's daughter, and she was able to create some artwork, and Rose is giving her a commission on every piece that she sells, like a real artist, so I wanted to support Kinsey in that, and it also allowed me to support Rose. So this is one of the Kinsey mugs that's available on the Rose Proffitt Creations website, and I'm very excited. I just love this turtle. Isn't it so cute? Might help if I bring it a little closer to all of you so you can actually see it. There you go. Now you can see it better. Now that I have it into proper focus. Sorry about that. So yeah, it is, honestly I'm not even sure what this is called, but it has the blue handle and the blue interior, and then the mug. Yeah, I think that's going to be wonderful for my coffee and tea. It's slowly starting to cool down here, so I'm excited about that. As in the summer, I usually drink either water or soda or iced tea, sometimes iced coffee, stuff like that. But now that fall is on its way, I'm going to be able to switch to hot tea and hot coffee and hot cocoa, all of that good stuff. So I needed some mugs to do that with. These kind of came at the right time, because I have been using primarily dollar store mugs just because they're cheap and easy to get. But now I'm going to be an adult and have actual fun mugs. Give a second to clean off the cardboard again. Right, this mug is one of the special edition, Halloween edition mugs at Proffitt Creations. And as you can see, it says, "Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil." And of course, it's a Halloween mug with these cute characters on it. So it's kind of like the "Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil" monkeys, but this time we get skeletons. I think they're really cute. I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday, so of course I needed a Halloween mug to celebrate the season. So it is black inside, and it has the black handle to match the image that you see here. Very excited about that one as well. Found a random drill on my table. There you go. Alright, and this is the last one I purchased. I had to follow my budget, of course, so I couldn't order all of them at once, but thankfully I had saved up enough that I was able to order a few at a time, and that helped make the shipping more affordable for me since I'm in America. And of course the prices are in Australian dollars on her website, so naturally it will be a little cheaper than that for me because of the currency conversion, since I'm using American dollars. Okay, I just found another random drill on the table. Oh, and there's the third one. Three's the charm, right? Alright. This third mug instantly reminded me of our class mascot when I was in the 6th and 7th grade in Columbia, Missouri at Smithton Middle School. We were the Bengal Tigers, and our kind of self-appointed mascot was Tigger the Tiger. So I thought this mug was really cute. It's an image of Tigger. Looks like he's doing a handstand. I just think it's funny. And on the back, it says, "Bouncing is what Tiggers do best." You know, it's cute. And it has this orange color. So also a wonderful fall color. Let's see if I can get them all in the frame here. Yeah, I got my Kinsey mug, my Halloween mug, and my Tigger mug. And I'm very excited to start using these. I do have a couple more mugs that I have on my wish list, so hopefully I'll be able to start getting those next month. So, of course, once they come in, I'll start showing you unboxings for those products as well. Yeah, thank you very much, Rose. I'm really excited about these mugs. It's just another fun way to showcase your art and your special products. So thank you so much for coming out with these new products for all of us to enjoy. Alright, I will post a link in the description to Rose's shop, as well as to the website for Uniquely Yours Down Under and Proffitt Creations. I am an affiliate over there, so all of that information will be in the description below as well. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I appreciate your support. Please like it, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be alerted when I post new content. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.